To make a Skrill account, start by going to the Skrill website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your email address, password, and country of residence. Choose a strong password and make sure to remember it, as you will need it to log into your account. Next, you will be asked to provide some personal details such as your name, date of birth, and address. This information is required to verify your identity and comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Make sure to provide accurate and up-to-date information to avoid any issues with your account. Once you have provided the required information, you will need to verify your email address. Skrill will send you an email with a verification link, which you need to click on to activate your account. This is a security measure to ensure that the email address you provided is valid and belongs to you. After verifying your email address, you can start using your Skrill account to send and receive money. You can add funds to your account using a variety of payment methods, such as credit or debit cards, bank transfers, or other payment systems. Make sure to check the fees associated with each payment method, as they may vary. To add an extra layer of security to your account, you can enable two-factor authentication. This will require you to enter a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password every time you log into your account. This will help prevent unauthorized access to your account and protect your funds. Finally, make sure to review and understand Skrill's terms and conditions, as well as their fees and limits. This will help you avoid any unexpected charges or issues with your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a secure and functional Skrill account that meets your needs.